Alright guys, what's good? So today we're back with another video and I'm very stoked for this one. So Racestar finally hooked it up with the new graphics kit for the KTM. So as you guys can see, I got all the decals off, the bike's clean. You know, cool thing about Racestar Graffix is they give you an instruction set with it. So ideally, with plastics that have been used, like mine, they're fairly scratched up. You want to hit it with sandpaper, then hit it with a Scotch-Brite, hit it with like a adhesive remover, contact cleaner, and so on. But out of sandpaper, so just Scotch-Brited it. Plastics are fairly destroyed, so I don't expect this kit to last for ages, but the next time I do another kit, I'm probably going to get new plastics as well. But anyway, regardless, doesn't matter. So look at this, got everything laid out here, from the rim tape, fork guards, stickers on the forks, front fender, number plates, side markers, all the good stuff. So we're not going to be using the swing arm stickers because obviously we got the guards on there, and yeah, so I think the order of operation is going to be, I'm going to do the rim tape, then start on the front forks, and then work my way back. So I'm going to pop you guys onto a time lapse, but before we do that, I have to say a massive thanks to Racestar Graffix first of all for hooking it up with the logos and got all the social looks on there. Got that hashtag Braap brand, so that's all good. And then also a massive thanks to my riding buddy and good friend Zane, because I was very busy this week. I had some exams to prep for, and he went on through and picked up the kit for me. I really appreciate that, Zane. You rock. So yeah, and to all you guys that are interested in getting new decals for your bike, remember, even if you're not in South Africa, Racestar Graffix does ship internationally. So drop them an email, see if they can hook you guys up. Yeah, so I'm gonna pop you guys onto time lapse, and by the time it's finished, we'll probably do a little walk around on the bike to see what it looks like. All right. Alright, so I finished the other side of the bike off camera, and just a disclaimer before I show you guys the bike. I am by no means, or nor do I have any business sticking graphics kits on bikes or vinyl or whatever. Like, it's not that easy, and that's kind of one of the philosophies I have. Like, you have to try it at least once, and it definitely gives me a greater appreciation for the work that Racestar does and their team that fits the kits to the bikes. So with that in mind, my plastics are pretty thrashed, so the next time when I get new plastics, I'll probably have them apply the decal kit professionally. But without any further ado, check it out. I still think it looks pretty awesome. Look at that. Epic. Looks like a brand new bike. Apart from the destroyed plastics, but I mean, it's a looker. So, yeah. Once again, I'd like to give a massive shout out to Racestar Graffix for hooking me up with the graphics kit and the rim tape. I really appreciate it. Definitely go and check them out. I'll have the links to their social media down in the description. And yeah, give them some love, because they supply some awesome kit. And remember, they ship internationally. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse of me applying the kit. And remember to hit that subscribe button and follow me on social media. Oh, one more thing. So now that you guys know what the bike looks like, if you see me at the races or you see me at the track and you recognize the bike, come over and give us a shout. We appreciate it. Alright, peace out and keep ripping.